Hey Aaron, Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips. These tips are just going to help you get on that first page of Google so you can actually bring in more leads and help grow your business. Thanks for passing on this video along for me as well. The first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google's very content driven. Everything that you see, they see as well. Even these images, this all has content behind it. You can actually switch that up, put some keywords back there. That's just going to help with your ranking so you can actually bring in more leads. So the first tip I'm actually going to go shoot over is I like to be right around 2,000 words on that first page. That way you can actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an example on these keywords. If I go inside of Google, type in HVAC Sioux Falls, this is what you're going to pop up. You got these Google guarantees. These are just another form of paid ads right here at the very top. They're replacing those old school ads. So these Google guarantees help block out some of those spammy phone calls, like those old school ads were becoming very spammy. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. A lot of people do have ad blockers, so a lot of these ads aren't even getting through. Underneath those ads, we have this little map pack. And later on, I'll actually go over the volume of those keywords. And if you take about 30% of that volume, we have about 30% of that going inside here, this map pack or the GMB or the Google My Business listing, whatever you want to call it. But in this GMB listing here, you have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top. And usually the top 3 sections is really where all the traffic actually lands. And to get in this top section here in this listing, to pull in this traffic that's coming in, you're going to be dealing with these things called citations. Citations are nothing but a business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is come in and go get those same citations from your top competitors right here. Obviously, you want to go out and completely outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all the work that you did in that listing. Underneath this GMB, we have that first page of Google, and this is really where all that organic traffic lands right here on that first page. And to get right here so you can actually bring those leads that's coming in online, it really comes down to making sure you have all that content you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to yours. Not all backlinks are created equal. You got spammy ones, good ones, whatever. But I took your URL. Oh, you do want to get your site secure as well. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs is just a tool. Lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 15 referring domains, 39 backlinks. Those backlinks is what's driving that power. Historically, you've had about 146 right there. The last 3 months of your site hasn't really done much. And this is the history. Looks like you got this thing going back in 2013, 2014 or so. 93 keywords of what people are actually searching for. That's how your website's being found, which in return you got about 31 clicks to your site every month. You can actually come in, see what you're ranking for. Here's all your keywords. The amount of traffic, the traffic's right here coming from each keyword, also your position. So I'm going to go over a couple of these. You got your name here at the very top. Heating and cooling Sioux Falls, there's 80 clicks. 11th position, you got 1 click coming from that. Heating and cooling Sioux Falls SD, another 40 clicks. Missing the traffic once again, you only got 1 click. HVAC Sioux Falls SD, another 50 clicks. Missing the traffic. Heating Sioux Falls SD, another 20 clicks. HVAC Sioux Falls, 100 clicks right there. You're missing the traffic with being the 25th position. So just coming in, making sure we're finding those keywords that you really want to pump power to, and really, making sure you're doing that quality backlink so you can actually get on that in a good position so you can bring in that traffic. This is Thorson Heating. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick rundown. Here's our keywords. HVAC Sioux Falls, 100 clicks. They got 16 clicks out of the 100, having that second position. HVAC Contractors Sioux Falls SD, there's another 70 clicks. Third position, they got 9 clicks out of the 70. HVAC Sioux Falls SD, another 50 clicks. They're still getting some clicks, being third position. So it really just comes down to making sure you're doing that quality backlinking so you can actually get a good position, and you're going to notice that traffic start coming in and your business start growing with those leads coming in. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting soon with you. Bye.